All right, now there we go. So next, now that we got to make sure everything is consistent across the board. So let's go over here to the next page, and we're going to background remove, edit. I'm going to grab all the text because I want to make sure it matches with the first page. And I'm going to keep the numbers as is. Oops. So now we can just bring that down. I did say I want to have the goal right here. I want to put the labels on its own separate line. And I need to delete these lines since they don't connect. So let's go over to edit again. Magic eraser. Okay. I'm going to go over to elements, and it's already highlighted. So I click this, and I want the color to match. Yeah, that is fine. And then we'll do month. We'll put the line right here. Okay, and then I'm going to duplicate. Okay, so I added the an element, a line under a month and goal. I just separate the top and made each of these their own line so that the person can write the month and they can put like a short goal and what the reward is. And as you see here, it has built out all 31 days of the month. You could just leave it as is, or if you want to erase down here so that it could be consistent, and I think I will do that. So let me do that really quick. So I am going to do magic erase, and I'm gonna make the size really small for up here at the top of the box. So I don't want to cut off the boxes that have the number in. I just want to get rid of the bottom row. So this stuff can be maybe a little teeth, and this is just me paying special attention to detail, but you don't have to go this deep. And plus your design may not come out this way, but I'm just showing you how I would edit this. Okay, that's not bad. Actually, I think that's pretty good. So we'll leave it at that. And I think it did cut off a little bit, but that's okay, just for the tutorial. And if I wanted to, I could also go in and remove those boxes and remove that, and it may do that. And I noticed that it did have a different color for the first week, and I think that's actually, I really like that. I think that's different and unique to have the first 7 days a different color. So I will leave that as well. So now we have our second page. Okay, so all the fonts match. We have adjusted the top part under the title, and our second page is done. And I am going to now go to the the cover page, and just want to make sure that the font on here matches as well. So we're going to go click on grab text. And yep, it's the same font. Now I'm not really feeling that little bar, so I'm going to remove that. So there you have it. And basically all you would need to do at this point is just click on share and download and save it as a PDF. And next I'm going to show you how you can make a quick mock-up with these 3 images. So I'll show you that next.